urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Minerva, Oregon, 10 miles southwest of Salem, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines,
resulting in some power outages.
Locations impacted include Lisbon, Hamilton, New Garden, North Georgetown, Winona, Guilford Lake State Park, Holworth, Route interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-1062-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio. This is NOAA Weather Radio.